Hey everyone, it's Amy. Today I'm going to show you how I created these Ice Queen nails. So I have my nails prepped, filled, and ready to go, and the first color I'm going to use is Light Elegance's Candy Jar. This was from last year's spring collection. It is a pretty baby blue shade, perfect for that icy color. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to do 2 coats of this on all of my nails. And I do apologize about the footage of this video. It's a little off and it kind of moves a little bit, especially this first part. I'm not exactly sure what happened while filming. I didn't notice anything till after I went back and looked at the footage to edit this. So I do apologize if it's a little out of frame or if it's moving. Again, I'm not sure what happened with my camera. The next color we're going to use is Light Elegance's Mother of Pearl. This was from one of the collections last year, I can't even remember, but it's similar to Swing by Sweden. It's that beautiful, icy, iridescent, white type of a glitter. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to do a full coat on my pinky, my ring finger, and then on my pointer finger I am going to do a glitter fade from the cuticle down. Then I'm also going to add some of Glitter Heaven Australia's Snow Magical Glitter. It is white snowflakes with blue iridescent glitters mixed in, so it goes perfectly with the Mother of Pearl or Swing by Sweden. Any of those iridescent glitters from Light Elegance would work well with this. So I'm going to place a couple of these snowflakes. They're pretty large, so I try to put them towards the center of the nail where I can flatten them out a little bit, and then I add some of the extra chunkies around the sides. Then, since these glitters are still so big and they do poke up, I decided instead of trying to embed the glitters, I'm going to use the saran wrap trick. So what you're going to do is you have your wet glitter down, you put your chunky glitter on top, you get a piece of saran wrap, and you wrap your nail as tight as you can. I mean, don't cut off your circulation or anything, but you get it tight so that way it flattens down the large snowflake glitters. Put it in the lamp, and you're going to cure that while you're holding the saran wrap. And then the saran wrap actually comes just cleanly off the nail afterwards. Now, if you do get any lumps or bumps from the Saran wrap, you can go and kind of buff them out, but as long as you get a pretty smooth coverage with the saran wrap, it comes out pretty smooth. And then I do go back in with a file, and I'm kind of buffing out any of those ridges that the saran wrap caused, or I think there was one that was still poking out a little bit, so I did go ahead and file that off, and then just cleanse the nails, and you can continue on with your set. I am going to add some bling to the middle nail. I will be using Jelly Nails Cluster Adhesive Gel. I'll be using the silver rings and then these two colored Swarovski crystals. I have Crystal Shimmer and then I have Aquamarine. So I'm going to start with that cluster adhesive gel. I'm going to paint it all over where I want to add the gems. I'm going to start with the silver circle ring, and then I'm going to find a gem that fits perfectly in it. And then I just start creating my crystal cluster, adding different sizes, different colors, till I'm happy with how the cluster looks. And now it's time for top coat. I will be using my Light Elegance's Super Shiny. Here is how my Ice Queen nails came out. I love them. They are super icy, frosty. I feel like they're perfect for January. January, I always want to do blue nails. Last year, I actually did Frozen inspired nails. I'll leave a link to that video in the description box down below. This year, I went with just the light icy blue and iridescent glitter. I've been getting so many compliments on this. Everyone loves these nails. They tell me they look like Frozen. They look like Ice Queen nails, which is exactly the vibe I was going for. So you guys will have to let me know in the comments down below what you think of these Ice Queen nails. Make sure you give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoy my tutorials. Make sure you subscribe for more coming out very soon. Thank you guys so much for watching. We'll see you guys next time. Bye!